Mediation ground rules, setting the stage for success. Mediation ground rules, setting the stage for success. Ground rules are essential for a productive mediation. They create a safe and respectful environment for communication. They also help create a level playing field, minimize conflict, and make open communication possible. This presentation will outline the common ground rules and their importance. Respectful communication. As a part of respectful communication, there are several rules to follow. No name calling or personal attacks. In mediation, we focus on the issues, not the people. No interruptions. In mediation, we allow each party to speak without being cut off. Use active listening. In mediation, we pay attention and try to understand the other party's perspective. Speak respectfully to others. In mediation, we use respectful language and avoid aggressive or demeaning tones. Your conduct during mediation. Proper conduct during mediation includes no aggressive behavior. Shouting, threats, or physical intimidation are unacceptable. Good faith participation. You must be willing to engage in honest and open communication. Respecting confidentiality. All parties must respect the privacy of the information shared during mediation. The mediator's role during mediation. During the mediation, the mediator will enforce the ground rules. If rules are violated, the mediator can pause or end the session. It is important to follow mediation ground rules to ensure a fair process where all parties are heard. We hope you enjoyed learning about the ground rules in mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people